Get our draft. I didn't have money. Bring here book our home. Bring a book out 200 get you. Over Chapo Lanka.
Mama,
Obo Club Yahakage.
Mama, see, make I tell you. This draft, it go make me cool temper because of how the things be for here now. I go to use and the past time. I feel see person, use and draft them, use and play with the person. I make money for the thing now, Mama. You know the thing is hard.
Equal me ham, Abrangi Hambrage. Abrangi Hambrage. You, huh? Hey,
Mama, see, our forefathers wey live for Enugu, they play draft. They know use and make money. During my own time now, wey be chief for Nkota side, your son, I swear, make I comot this my eyeglass for you. I go use this draft chop. I go use and chop. Maybe we who wears.
onye nwe mmanya ga-ebere. Ọ ma ashim na adị duru obra. Ashim na adị duru obra.
There's no gain to play draft. That's what it mean now. There's no gain, there's no profit.
Kwa gbasara gị nwa m. Nye m na nsogbu. Emuda ga-eze a ga-eri nri.
I no go happy. Why I no go happy? Why I no go happy?
I don't tire.
You don't tire. Well, I never marry. You can't tire. Yes, now it never reach me to get money marry now. You go pray if I get money now marry now. I go to help you. You know those as you do now they cook for me. Ah, they happy.